Guys, what I got here today is peeled garlic and ginger. I always do this, like, this is very medicinal. It has a lot of health benefits, ginger and garlic. Then you can use lemon or lime. I got my fresh lemon washed, right? So I'm gonna go off camera and blend it, chop it up with my chopper. You got to chop it up or you blend it. It's up to you, but I normally use chopper. Chopper is good if you have a chopper. This chopper can chop your okra, your pepper, can chop your onions, can chop anything. So I'm gonna go off camera and chop the garlic. That's my window. And chop the garlic, then juice out all the lemon juice and put all in a bottle, and it lasts me like a couple of weeks. I mix it with warm water to drink. It's very good for your immune system, very good for your health. Okay, I'm not a professional, so if you have any underlying health issue, before you do this my remedy, consult your doctor, your GP, your physician. Okay, me, I need to chop up the ginger first before I put it in my chopper. Okay, like this. You can as well use your knife, but chopper is quicker and easy, make life easy, you know. That's the chopper. I'm gonna put all the ginger inside the chopper. You see, it's all chopped up. You see? So that is the bottle where I'm going to be putting it. The one I did a couple of months ago is just finished. So this is where I'm gonna go inside this jar. I'm gonna go inside this jar. I'll do the same with the garlic. Okay. So the lemon juice gonna quench that harshness of the garlic. I know a lot of people don't like garlic because of the harshness. But this remedy is very, very healthy for you. Okay. It's all done. Take it out. See? Look at that jar. Where I'm gonna be squeezing the lemon juice, like I said before, and honey. A lot of honey, lemon juice or lime juice. You can use both. So don't use the bottle one. Use the organic one, okay? So my lemon juice is gonna cover all this up inside this jar. Okay, don't put water. So every morning you take 1 spoon, full spoon like this, put in a warm water and drink it. Okay? Chop up all the lemon juice. Then I start squeezing them out. Okay.